How to win at Monopoly Go. So all you have to do is just build fast at first and for build fast at first, then slow down when you are gaining more money and dices. And you better save up all the cash and then upgrade all at once to avoid any shutdown that will lose your progress. And also the community chest is my community chest is locked because I need more friends. So if I play this game with social interactions, or to add more friends, invite more friends, or to add a linking contact on this game, you could avoid shutdown and it won't let you lose any progress in this game because it will give you dices and many more prizes. And after that you just have to check every day, once a day, in this game because it will give you some rewards every day when you log in. And after that, after you roll the dice, just leave the game for 6 hours and you will be up to the maximum total of 30 dice rolls. So if you feel that the after you dice it, yeah, even if you dice so well, the dice is having a bad luck. So it's okay to not play right now, just play later if you roll the dice and you have a pretty bad luck dice. So it depends on you. But that is the easiest way to avoid shutdown in this game. And as you can see, just like I said, just get social and create the dice link and don't play the game for long durations. So after you roll the dice and you have no dice left, you just have to leave the game and just get back for more for 6 hours. And that is how you win the game and to avoid any shutdowns in this game.